As one of the very important department of Bull Industry Company Limited, Bull Chemicals has been committed to providing high-quality and stable raw materials services for a long time. Our services are covering from raw materials research and development, production, packaging, storage and shipment. This is our one-stop solution services. The selection of raw ore materials is very important. Our raw ore suppliers involve major mining areas across the country. For example, the graphite ore in Inner Mongolia. The prospective reserves of graphite in Inner Mongolia are about 300 to 500 million tons, ranking first in the country. And antimony ore mainly concentrated in the central and southern regions of China. And chromite ore from the western and northern regions of China, etc. From selection, mining, processing, transportation, as always, we insist on in-depth cooperation with major companies to ensure the consistency of the source of materials. For the deep processing of materials, we are most concerned about equipment and management. We have excellent equipment to ensure the processing of materials to the parameters required by customers. We also spend a lot of manpower on quality control issues during material processing, from raw ore materials incoming inspection, to equipment inspection, and from process inspection to finished product inspection. We persist on checking each procedure to ensure the consistency of each batch of materials. We take old chemicals, new materials, new science as our strategic orientation. Flexibility, speed, efficiency, and safety is our action plan. We unite our own laboratories and third-party laboratories to focus on the research and development of new materials and the in-depth study of material refinement. At the same time, we use various instruments and testing equipment for experiments and research, and maintain a good cooperative relationship with experts in various fields, to provide a continuous source of power and talent reserves for our subsequent development. Materials we can provide, covering hundreds of metallic and non-metallic mineral powders, salt and coal chemical powders, fine chemicals, reinforced fibers, whiskers and composite materials. Involving friction materials industry, plastic products industry, building materials industry, battery industry, refractory materials industry, etc. We use mechanized and standardized equipment to package materials, ensure that clean and accurate independent packaging is provided, making the materials easier to palletize and transport. With sufficient experience in all kinds of chemicals operation, abundant domestic resources and efficient warehousing service capabilities, and the recognition of China Customs, Commodity Inspection, Terminal, Maritime and other institutions. Bull Chemicals provides a solid foundation for its domestic service, and have maintained long-term good cooperation with shipowners of major routes, to ensure the stability for powder chemical materials exported. China as its base. Bull Chemicals has established sales networks in more than 150 countries and regions around the world. We believe Bull Chemicals is one of your best choices. We look forward to your join.